1. Variant color options. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 is an adventure scooter that is available in several color options, such as Pearl Nightstar Black, Matte Ruthenium Silver Metallic, Hyper Red, and Matte Coal Black Metallic. 2. New 5-inch full-color TFT display. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 is now equipped with a 5-inch full-color TFT meter panel, replacing the previous LCD display. This new display offers clearer displays and more functions. 3. Improved rear suspension. One of the main updates to the 2025 ADV 350 is the adoption of dual rear shock absorbers with preload adjustment and a remote reservoir. This upgrade provides better control and allows riders to adjust the suspension according to different road conditions or heavier loads, thus improving riding comfort and stability. 4. Honda Road Sync connectivity. The Honda Road Sync connectivity feature is now available on the 2025 model. This system allows smartphone connection to the scooter, providing easy access to various functions via a 4-way toggle switch. 5. New pricing. For the UK market, the price of the 2025-2026 Honda ADV 350 is around £5,899.